Hi, third grade families. This is Mrs. Ames, and I'd like to show you how you can explore the AASA sample tests at home with your student. We have already gone through the testing platform and the sample tests in class, but I know many of you would like to know more about what the testing looks like, especially considering that this is the first state test your child will be taking. We'll begin at the Arizona Department of Education website at azed.gov/assessments/AASA. Your child's teacher should provide you with this direct link. If you scroll down, you'll see the AASA sample tests, and when you click to release the drop-down menu, we will focus on the tests and tutorials. Click on Arizona. At this sign-in page, students do not have to sign in. Simply click on the mic check and sample tests at the bottom of the screen. You will see a variety of tests that you can view the samples for, but we are focusing on the AASA Test Nav Sample Tests. Please choose Grade 3. After selecting Grade 3, you will see the 4 different tests your child will take. We have ELA, which stands for English Language Arts, Writing, ORF, which is Oral Reading Fluency, and then finally, Math. Once you click into Math, the landing page looks like this. Simply click the blue Start button to begin. It will tell you how many questions are in the test. The test has now begun, and you can click the right blue arrow to start the first question of the test. As you go through the test with your child, you will be able to see the types of questions and the different technology that they will be expected to use to answer those questions, which is a great way to prepare them prior to actual testing day. This helps ease some testing anxiety if they are more familiar with how they need to answer the questions. This is a wonderful way for you to help your child at home along with what they've already done in class with their teacher. You can see the kinds of questions that they're being asked, and also go back to the original landing page and you will find scoring guides for all of the sample tests. I'm going to show you an example of a scoring guide from ELA. I hope this information was helpful, and if you need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact your child's teacher.